Welcome to day 5 of your 7-day yoga challenge. Today, we'll gently open the hamstrings and release tension through mindful hold. Sit comfortably and place your hand on your thigh. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale through your mouth. Allow your lower body to relax. Let your legs grow heavy. Let everything settle. Extend your right leg. Bring your left foot into your inner thigh. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale to hold gently over your leg. Soften your shoulders. Let the stretch reach the back of your knee and the length of your hamstring. Switch side. Slowly wake up. Step your feet wider. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale and hold down the center. Let your hamstrings open softly. Let the back of your legs breathe. Relax your shoulders and soften your jaw. Slowly wake up. Come onto hands and knees. Step your right foot forward, then shift your hips back into half split. Flex your front foot and let the stretch travel through your calf and hamstring. Inhale to lengthen, exhale to melt forward. Switch side. Come to standing with feet hip width apart. Exhale and hold forward. Let your head hang heavy. Let your whole upper body melt. Bend your knees if needed. This is about releasing, not forcing. Take a deep breath and soften your entire back. Come into chair pose. Bend your knee, arms up. Focus on your thigh. Relax your shoulder. Inhale and exhale. Come to standing. Place your hand on your heart. Feel the softness in your hamstrings and the calm in your whole body. Focus on your breath Inhale and exhale. Thank yourself for showing up today. Namaste.